If I'm earning 3 lakhs per annum, then I can earn like 4 to 5 lakhs per annum if I do the QTP.
Okay.
And in manual testing, once you're experienced in manual testing, if you're still working in manual testing, after 8 to 9 years, your salary will stagnate.
Okay.
It will not increase. But if you have started working in automation, so it keeps on increasing. Company to company, it keeps on increasing.
Oh, okay.
You don't believe there are some colleagues of mine or colleagues and seniors of mine who have got 12 years, 13 years of experience. But their salary is still like 7 lakhs, 8 lakhs.
Oh, okay.
They're stagnated over there. It's not moving.
Oh, okay.
Once you learn automation, now they have started learning automation.
Oh,
It is too late. It is too late.
Oh, too late.
At the
Okay.
initial stages, yeah. So if you have learned automation, then it would be you would have earned the same salary at early stages of your career itself.
Oh,
Not
okay.
after 12 years, 15 years of experience. Okay.
Okay.
I'll find then. I think Tamanna would be joining. She left out the session, right?
She can join again. I said to some kind of technical problem. Then I said, okay, go out and come in again.
We'll wait. Oh.
Because this whole week we're very busy, okay? Then can we start from Saturday or Sunday,
Yeah, that's okay. No problem.
Yeah, then we talk. Okay, I'll talk with the Arjun. Then I'll, here is everybody. Maybe Tamanna also busy.
Yeah.
This holiday season is very crazy over here, very, very crazy. Here, people, they don't know anything.
Yeah.
Tamanna?
Power IP. She has not yet connected to the mic. She's again offline.
No, she's offline again. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hello, Tamanna? What?
Yeah, I can hear you guys.
Yeah, I saw here on the organizer offline. Your is offline. We see that one. What happened? I don't know.
My one organizer offline?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I can hear you guys. Now I can hear.
You hear it?
Yes. So you can start because...
Can you see my screen also? Please ask her if she can see my screen.
Did you see the screen, Tamanna?
No yet.
No yet? Okay, it's coming maybe. Okay, wait few minutes. Did you hear? Tamanna speaking, did you hear?
Yes. I heard that she's able to hear us. And we are audible, but Tamanna is not audible for us, but that's okay.
Tamanna,
Right.
yes, she, Tamanna?
Hello?
Tamanna, you শুনিছো? Our voice শুনিছো ওখানে? হ্যাঁ?
শুনতে পাচ্ছি না।
শুনতে পাচ্ছি না? Okay, she didn't hear us, yeah. শুনতে পারছি না। Which language you work in? We talking Bengali language, you know?
Bengali? Bengali?
Huh?
Can you speak Bengali?
Yes, yes.
Ruma, keep organizer profession, I think.
Pradesha also organizer. Yeah, you now is okay. Maybe you heard us, right? Tamanna?
I studied recording and that time I was...
Okay.
I can hear it, but now I can't.
Your mic is okay? No, tamne?
Yes, for your conference. Yeah.
Shanti Parsi or Parsina? Parsina, she didn't hear us.
She's again offline.
Then, did you see the screen, Tamanna? Did you see the Pratisha screen or not? Not yet. Okay, go back again and come again. Go back again and come again. No, I don't know anything on what happened over there. It is not connected to audio. What happened? Your mic, did you connect the mic? Not connected to my audio. Here is, I saw your, your name and I saw this. They're not connected to audio. Please, did you connect properly over there or no? Your mic is not connected, yeah. Please join it again. Take out your mic wire. Take out your mic wire and plug it again. Headphone. Okay, take out your headphone, take out and put it in again and again, 1-2 times. Priyanka, say hi to Tamanna, please.
Yeah.
Say hi to Tamanna, please.
Hi, Tamanna. Tamanna, hi. You're still off. Please come online, Tamanna. She's still offline.
Say this, yeah, say this. Tamanna.
Tamanna.
Yeah, I recorded it. There's no problem. I can share the recording, okay? Did you hear Pratisha or no? Priyanka, can you say to her hi or something?
Hi. Hello. Tamanna, hello.
Tamanna,
Can you hear me, Tamanna?
No, she didn't hear, yeah. She didn't hear.
Hello.
Please go back. Just shut down your computer and come again, Tamanna, please.
Yeah.
Okay, bye. What happened to her today? I don't know, Priyanka.
Might be sometimes we cannot always rely on machines, on computers. We don't know when they'll shut down. We don't know when they'll restart. We don't know what problems might come in them.
Then what time you go to work, Priyanka? You have a different kind of work? Yeah, morning time.
Morning 8. Morning 8 o'clock.
Morning 8 o'clock?
Yeah. 8 to 3.
8 to 3, oh, that's a good schedule. I also like to work like that.
8 to 3 is that sometimes if I've got work, I'll stay till 6, 7. If I've not got work, then I come back by 3 itself. It depends.
Then please come here one time, Priyanka, to see.
For sure. We're just planning.
There's
Because
honeymoon.
my husband also.
Honeymoon.
No,
Come for honeymoon.
It's already done.
Already done? Now next time again. Second time.
So that should be my.
Where did you go
in your
then?
life.
Yeah.
We were at Lakshadweep.
Where?
Lakshadweep.
Lakshadweep is in India?
Islands. Yeah.
Okay.
Lakshadweep Islands. You do know Andaman and Nicobar, right?
No, I didn't know that.
Do you know Andaman and Nicobar?
No, I don't know. This is island?
Yeah, of course. Have you ever heard of Andaman and Nicobar?
No, I don't know. It's
No. Oh, those are beautiful islands. Those are islands.
islands. Oh, okay.
Yeah, the island which we were there, that was Lakshadweep.
Mm-hmm.
And in Lakshadweep, there are many mini islands, small islands.
Oh, okay.
The island which I have went, that is called as Agatti.
Okay.
Agatti, Agatti Island.
Uh-huh.
It is so beautiful, so beautiful. You
Oh.
can never find such a beautiful island. I know, this whole world might be,
Uh-huh.
it's such a beautiful island. It's just 15 kilometers. The whole island itself is just 15 kilometers.
Oh, that's very interesting.
You can just walk
Just walk only.
all over the island. There are only few people in there.
Mm-hmm.
You can just walk on the beach. It's a white sand beach, and you'll find those what do you call it as? Just read about Agatti. It's very interesting, and they don't allow. There is no pollution in there at all. No pollution.
Oh, okay.
They don't have. They walk because it's just 15 kilometers.
Oh,
You don't
okay.
have restaurants, big restaurants. You don't have. You don't have restaurants. You don't have malls. Nothing. You're just out of this world. That's it.
Oh, okay.
It's this world.
Then India,
And
where are
nobody
you?
should-
Then where are you in India?
I'm at Goa.
Goa? Oh, that's a nice place.
It is. It is, but it is filled with beaches.
Tamanna having the same problem, Priyanka.
Let me see if she connects to the mic only, then we can speak. Or I can understand whatever her problem is.
Mm-hmm.
Once that we are unable to. She is not audible. We are audible to her. I think so.
Hold on, I'll call her then if she hear us or not.
Yeah, just find out if she can hear us. I think she can hear us now.
Connected to audio, yeah. Now is yeah.
Yeah. Tamanna?
Yeah, Tamanna.
Patricia, you can hear me?
Did you hear? Mm-hmm. There is
I hear you guys.
no. You hear?
Yes.
Did you hear to Priyanka too?
But internet is so bad internet.
Oh, okay.
So-
Then you hear us, right?
I can hear you.
Okay, then.
So you guys doing that and don't give me for recording because I can't.
Okay, I'll save the recording. Okay,
Okay,
recording this
okay,
session,
okay.
and you hear it's okay. Okay.
Yes, because I have to start.
Okay,
my
I'll
work,
hang
so I
up
have to
and we
put
go
up
for the classes. Okay.
8:30. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Bye. Okay, Priyanka, go ahead for the.
Okay, so we're going to talk about our new session about VB scripting, about VB, about what happened to this now? about VB scripting and also descriptive programming. So we're going to talk about both the VB scripting and descriptive programming. Okay? Sushma, right? Sushma has arrived. Fine then. So we'll be talking about the basics of VB scripting first. Do we have any basic knowledge about scripting or languages? Do we have any basic knowledge? Any knowledge is fine.
Yeah, I forgot that everything. I had it before.
So do you have any idea about scripting, any idea about languages, any language, C, C++, VB, .NET, anything would be fine.
Yeah, C++, I know, now I forgot that, okay?
Okay, so you forgot that. So do you remember any word, a word in C++? A word in C++.
I need to check again.
Do you remember?
No.
Okay, that's okay, not a problem. Okay. So before we talk about programming language and languages, before we talk about that, I need to introduce you, I want to introduce you to few more functionalities in QTP, As you can see in here, run from step. Run from step. It does mean that whichever step you select, for example, I want to run the script only from this second line of script. So what should I do is I just right click and then say run from step.
Oh, okay. Anywhere you can.
Okay? Yes, anywhere, from any step you can run it. Okay. So the next point is that if you want to stop the script at a particular line of script, for example, I want to stop execution of the script at 4th line. Till 4th line, I want the script to be executed, and I want it to break or to stop or to pause the script execution at the 4th line. If I play back, as you can see, it has stopped at the 4th line. It is not stopped, it is paused at the 4th line. It's still moving, but it's a pause. So how do you do that is, just right click and then insert, remove breakpoint.
Okay.
Just click on insert or remove breakpoint.
Right click, right? That one is right click, right?
Right. Yes. On whichever line you want to stop, you want to pause execution, whichever line you want to pause the execution, right click on the line and say insert or remove breakpoint.
Okay.
Okay? Fine?
Fine.
And then, if you want to find out errors, then what you need to do something like this. So, for example, okay, so there is no click in here. Right click and then debug, no, I'll say from here, debug it. So debug from step. Okay, I wanted to debug. So what this does is that this debug is nothing but, it is going to find out, this debug is going to find out, or it is going to find out and solve that particular problem. So when we get into scripting, when I start up scripting, then you'll understand what does this debug mean in much more clear way. Okay. So and then run to step. So run to step is that. So till which step you want it to run. So instead of run to step, I'll always be using a breakpoint. Breakpoint is what? Breakpoint gonna pause your script. Pause your execution of or run of the script at that particular point at which you have inserted the breakpoint. You can insert the breakpoint at any point of the script. At any point of the script. And this is an important interview question. Can you insert can you insert more than one breakpoint in a script? Yes, I can insert more than one breakpoint in a script, as you can see.
What is the maximum?
I can.
And any
There is no
number?
maximum. You can enter any number of breakpoints in a script.
Okay.
Okay, understood till here?
When we do
Fine.
that one, when we do the breakpoint.
I'll tell you. I'll tell you. When we do this breakpoint, I'll tell you all this stuff, but just remember these things.
Okay.
These are few basic steps, okay, which should be used. Right? So now, we're going to learn about something called as, it is under descriptive programming what we are learning in right now. So get RO property. Get RO property. So it does mean get runtime object property. At runtime, if I want to get any property of the object, if I want to get any property of the object, then I would be using get runtime object property, that is get RO property.
Oh, okay, okay.
Okay. Now, we're going to, before get RO property, we're going to learn another line of, this is a DB script which I'm teaching you. So we have something called as message box. MSG box, that is called as message box. For example, if I want to know after clicking on OK, so I just want to know that it has clicked on OK button. Okay. So one way in which I can come to know if it has clicked on OK button is by just playing back the script and go to the results view, and you can see that if your button OK has passed. Whereas there is another way in which I can find out. So what I'll say that once you have executed this line of script, that is the login win button, okay, then just give me a message.
Priyanka, hold on.
Then just
Priyanka, your voice is not clear. Voice is not clear. Message box, repeat it again, please. It's not from message box.
Is it clear now?
Now, okay.
Okay, message box.
From message
so
box.
For example, assume that there is a scenario like, yeah, I'm repeating from the message box itself. So for example, assume that there is a scenario like this. That is, you want to find out if it has the QTP has clicked on a button called as OK. A button called as OK.
Okay.
One way in which you can find out if the QTP has clicked on OK button or not, that is by going to your results. Right. In your results, you can find out if the OK button has been clicked or not. Point number 2. The way in which you can find out if it has clicked on OK button or not is like this. Message box, MSG box does mean message box, message box.
Okay.
Click whatever you want to get, whichever message you want to get. Please write down that message in here. Clicked on OK button. So, now if I play back this script, if I execute this script, okay. Constant. Okay. Sorry, Rima.
That's okay.
I just didn't close the brackets. So these small mistakes happen. Yeah. See, there is a pop-up coming in. Once the OK button has been clicked, there is a pop-up coming in called as click on OK button. Now, once you, okay, fine. So then it will execute the next steps. Understood?
Yes,
so in whichever place you want a message to be displayed, there you insert something called as a message box. So what is a message box? a space, MSG box, a space, and then double quotes, and then double quotes, and then write down what are the message you want the QTP to display.
Okay, okay.
Write down whichever message you want the QTP to display. Okay?
Oh, okay, okay.
That is nothing.
Yeah, yeah.
You can give any message.
Interesting.
For example, and then see. For example, you have entered agent name in there. So I want to see a pop-up called as entered agent name. So I'll say message box and then entered agent name.
Then close bracket. Yeah.
Double quotes,
And close
and then
bracket.
a
Okay.
space in here. Okay, and then a space in here. Okay, so now to execute the script,
You can put
entered agent name.
you can put your cursor any place, your mouse pointer to see that one.
Yes, yes, it can be any place.
Mm-hmm.
Mouse
Okay.
pointing is not considered at all. You can
Okay.
put it in any place. See, wherever you want to see a message,
Mm-hmm.
wherever you
Oh,
want to
okay,
see a
okay.
message, just enter message and
That's
then click on run. That's it.
okay, okay.
And then click on run. That's it. Okay?
Okay. Okay, it's interesting. Yeah.
Fine. So now, next, a common point which we'll be generally using is wait. Okay? Wait. So if you want QTP to wait for a few seconds, like I want you to wait for 5 seconds or 10 seconds before executing this fourth line of script. Before executing this fourth line of script, if you want QTP to wait for 5 seconds, then it will wait for 5 seconds.
It's no need to.
Breakpoint is that. Yeah, breakpoint is a point where you just say click and then insert remove breakpoint, and it will pause the script, and I should stop the script once it has achieved a breakpoint. Or else I should ask it to run from that particular point. Or else I should right click and then say yes, now keep running from this step. So instead of using all this stuff, what I'll do is that I'll say, okay, wait for 5 seconds and then run this particular line of script. That is nothing but it is called as a wait.
Okay, run that.
Okay, so if you run that, then it will
You
wait
don't
for
need to.
exactly 5 seconds.
No need to close that one with a comma or anything.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, nothing. No comma, nothing.
Oh, okay. Just
VBScript is so easy. It's so easy.
okay. Okay, I need a.
Like C, C++, you need not declare all the variables before itself. So, do you know anything about variables? What are variables?
Variables. Yeah, I know,
Do you know
but
something about variables?
totally forgot everything.
That's okay. I'll explain you. See, like you might have learned algebra before in your mathematics, right?
Yes,
For
yes.
example, okay, you need break for 2 minutes.
2 minutes. Yeah. Yeah, please.
Yeah,
Okay.
sure.
Okay.
Sure.
Okay, Brenda. Sorry for that. Hello, Brenda.
Hello?
Yes, Brenda.
Yeah, sure. So, what were you talking about? Okay. So, we have just dealt with weight, right? We have just dealt with weight command.
Mm-hmm.
So, I was talking about variables, right?
Variable,
So,
yeah.
variables are like, for example, yes. So, you might have learned about algebra
Algebra, yeah, I know.
in your math.
Mm-hmm.
X is equal to 10.
Yes.
And for example, R is equal to some quantity. So what would you do? Wherever you find X, you're going to replace X with 10. For example, T equal to X plus R. So what would be the answer? 30,
30.
right? So and
Yes.
then Y equal to X divided by R. So what would be the answer? 0.5.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Something like that. So
Yeah.
0.5, something like that. So wherever you find X, you're going to replace it with R, right?
Yes.
So this X is nothing but it is a variable. It
Okay.
is a variable.
Variables. Oh. Okay, okay.
Okay.
Variables.
So variables are they can store anything. Variable can store anything. For example, X is storing a number, and R is storing a number. And if I write S is equal to hello world, then S is storing a string. So that is called as a string.
History?
Understood? Yes, it is called as a string.
Okay.
So wherever you find letters, those are called as strings. And instead of number, we in our language of VB script or any other language, the number is called as an integer. The number is called as an integer. So these are the three data types which you will be commonly using. That is integer.
Integer. How do you
String.
spell? How
Sorry,
do you
these are
spell
the
it?
two
INT?
data.
Integer?
INT. Yes,
INT.
integer. String does mean, yes, string does mean string.
String, okay.
So these are the two data types which you would be frequently using. Okay. So right now I'm going to do something. What I want to see is that whenever my script is run, I just want to make sure that there is a value entered into the agent name called as PRATHYU. There is a value entered in the agent name called as PRATHYU. Okay. So now what I'll do is that I'll say S is equal to just follow. Right now you will not understand it. So just see what am I doing in here. Okay. I have just control V and then get dot get arrow property. What property do you want to get? I want to get the text property, which is the text which is entered. I want to enter the text property and then message box. What I want message box x. So just way back. Yes. So now let me explain the script whatever I have given. So I think you might have seen how the script you saw how the script has played back, right? So as you can see, message box x. So whatever has been entered at runtime, whatever the value which has been entered, whichever value has been entered in this property, please return me. Please show me that value. That is what it does mean. Get.
Okay.
Get means to get. Okay. Runtime. R does mean runtime. So at runtime, the objects. So O does mean objects. So get at runtime objects. At runtime objects property.
Okay.
Property. And which property do I need to get at runtime? I need to get the value of a property called as text.
Okay.
Understood? And how will it fit to me? So as I told you, wherever you need a message, just say message box and what do I want to see? I want to see whatever is stored in S. When getArrow property would get the value of this text property, then it is going to store it in this variable called as S.
Okay.
Now, if I want to refer if S has got the same value which it is stored, then I will say message box yes. If you want to see the value which the S has got, then say message box yes. Like this, you can get each and every property, runtime objects property value. So, right, let me ask you a question since we have come till VB scripting. So, how do we know that this preview value is present in text property or not? How do we know that? How do we get to know that this value called as preview is available in text property or not?
We have to run it.
Huh?
We have to run and say.
I didn't get you. What?
We have to run this one and say.
Yes, you have to run this and see. But how would I know? See, there are n number of properties for a particular object. How would I know that I want to get only the text property? Okay, let me ask you in this way. How would I know the properties and values of different objects?
We have to run and see, not that one.
And just understand the question. How would I know the properties and values of different objects in the application? Object spy, Ruma, object spy.
Object is spy, yeah.
How do you know the?
Yeah, object is spy, yeah.
I told you, this is a
Object is spy, yeah.
question.
Object is spy, sorry.
Right?
Yeah,
So, for example, TRATHYU. Now, this is what I want to get, right? This is what I want to get. So, what would I say? First of all, I would spy. what is this property? Because unless and until I do know the property of this value which is entered, I'll not be able to get the property. So where is Pratyu entered? Pratyu is entered in REGX title. This is the property in which this value is entered. And where else it is entered? So it is also given in text property.
Okay.
So either you can ask the QTP to get RO property of this property, that is REGXPWND title. You can, instead of that, you can write that, else you can even get this property of text.
Okay.
Understood? Okay, let me ask you a question then. If I want to know the Y property at runtime, I want to know the Y property of this bin edit agent name. So how should I write the line of script for get RO? See, right now I've got text property. So if I want Y property,
Okay.
how can I get that?
You can write down the same way, right?
Ah, yes, tell me. How should I write it?
You need a number, right? Number?
No. It has got the value of the property, but where should it save? It should have a place to save, right?
Yes.
Just like you have bought some vegetables. So you will not just keep it in the same cover which you have got or the same package which you have got. You would keep it in a place. You would store it in a place, right? So that storage place might be a container or it might be a pack. It might be anything. In the same way, when you have got a text or when you have got a value, where should it be stored? It should be stored in a variable.
Variable, yes.
Previously, I have stored it in a variable called as S.
Yeah.
Right? So now, I want to get the value of the property of Y.
Okay, y equals to
Y equals to, okay. Y equal to what? So you are going to store the property of Y in Y itself. Is it so? I think you didn't understand my question. See, objects file, agent name. So these are all the properties for the agent name. What I want is that I want to retrieve this property called as Y. So how can I retrieve that?
with a message box. Write down with the message box. You said before.
Okay, message box. Fine. Okay, so what should I write?
Message box, then space.
Okay, message box and space.
And close the bracket. Is this the that's the way? Then close the start. Close
See,
it.
already I have written a script. Right? Just follow the same script and please think and let me know what should I write, what type of script should I write in order to get the value of Y property.
Yeah, just y equals to I think the same way, but you already We said, but we confused.
Okay, tell me. Tell me, if you have mistakes, I'll correct you.
Yeah, y equals to the same thing
Y
like
equal to?
you know, just above over there. Yes equals to dialog box, like that.
Okay, so I'm copying this, huh? The same thing.
Yeah.
Okay, the same thing. Please refer again. Is it the same thing or not? Please refer again.
Okay, I don't know that. Okay, go ahead and tell us.
You do know. You do know. See, the syntax for get arrow property is get. See, as soon as I type get in here, you will get arrow property. So inside this get arrow property, you should open the braces and enter property name.
So right click.
What is the name of the property? What is the name of the
Y.
property?
Properties, you said Y?
Correct. Very good. That is what? The name of the property was Y.
Y.
That was the name of the property which I wanted to get. So that would be Y. Fine. So in which variable I need to store it? It is not compulsory to store it in a variable of Y. You can store it in A, B, C, D, in anything. So you're going to store it in F or say Y or say U. In any variable, you can store it in any variable. Now, how to know if it has got the Y property or not? Just type message box, message me. What should be message?
Message, whatever you want to write down, you know, in a box. Whatever.
Which one? Which one? S or U? You need U, right? In this U, whatever is stored, you need to get that.
Okay.
So give U. Understood or not? See, I'll give you a very simple example.
Yeah, I understood that.
X is equal to 10. See, now message box of what? I want to see what is 10. So message box.
Message box. And message box EX, like that?
Yes, that's it.
Yeah.
Very simple.
Message
Okay?
box, yes.
So, in the same way, U equal to something. Right? So now, message box of what? Message box of?
U.
Yes, that's it. Now, if I play back, then it should show me the value of Y. See, the message box of U, that is the value of this property Y, is
66. Oh, okay.
Okay. Now, whatever is entered in S, the value of S, that is text property, is Prathyu, Prathyu. Understood? Am I clear till here?
Yeah, that's fine.
Fine. So this is how you use message boxes. And this is how you get a get arrow property. Get arrow property is that at runtime, whatever be the value of the property given, so that value would be retrieved back. That value would be retrieved back. Understood? Fine. Now, if just a second, message box of S. Okay. In the same way, I do have something called as get to property, get TO property. So what we have learned was get runtime object property. What we have learned right now was get runtime object property.
Okay.
Now we are going to learn about get text object property, get TO property. Get text object property.
Okay.
Okay. So dialog same equal to same dialog login we name the gateway get TO property. So instead of get RO, as soon as you put on this dot, then you'll get TO property over here. Okay, so select the get TO property. Now what is the property name which you want to get? I want to get some x-axis or I want to get some y-axis. So message box of E. Message box of E. See the difference between get text object property and get RO property is that get TO property will give you the value of the object, will give you the value of the property before runtime. Before runtime, whatever be the value of the property, that you will get it through get TO property. Whereas get RO property, it will give you the runtime object property. At runtime, what is the value of the object that would be given and by the get RO property. Get TO does mean get text object property. Text object property. Get RO is the get runtime object property. Understand?
Yeah.
Till here are we clear? So its syntax is also the same, that is get TO property and whatever the property you want to get, give that property name in here.
Okay.
Understood? Good. So this is about VB scripting. So till now, this is about VB script plus descriptive programming. This get RO property and get TO property are a part of descriptive programming. And this message box is nothing but it is a VB scripting. So without a VB script, you cannot complete your programming, and without descriptive programming too, you cannot complete your programming. So in order to complete your test, it is not only needed to record and playback and refer the details, but also it is needed that you modify the script. Okay?
Oh, okay. Sometimes we need to modify also.
Yes. So you need to modify the script. So in the later on classes, you will get to know how I should modify, why I should modify. But today, for now, please learn what are all the functions through which you can modify.
Okay, Priyanka, I'll talk to the Arjun, about the class, because this week our holiday is in the Thanksgiving, this coming Thursday.
Yeah.
Okay, we're very busy with the work. That's why maybe we start the class from next Sunday or whatever Arjun said. Okay, I request that to close this week. I cannot take. I request him to start the class for this week, but I don't know what he said. Okay? Then Arjun will email to you. Okay, I don't know the Tamanna. You can maybe she also busy. I don't know about her, but I cannot take the class this whole week.
Okay.
Maybe I'll join the class next Sunday.
So shall we continue or do you want to leave?
Yeah, if you can.
Right now
You can. Yeah, you can take 10-20 minutes, no problem.
Okay, fine. So we are going to learn about some other small functions. Some other small functions. Since I have taught you a bit complicated function till now, I'm going to teach you a very small function. Okay. So for example, I want to add two numbers, a equal to 20.
Okay.
And b equal to some 80. If I need to add
Okay.
these two functions and I need to get a message. So how can I add?
We need to add a plus b.
Correct.
Then
So how can I get a message? How will I get to know the result?
result you can. Oh, okay, okay.
How can I get the result?
A plus b. Then you can. We have to write down the variables. Then.
How can I get that result? How will I know what is C displaying? So, C is what to our human brain, C is equal to 100, right?
Yeah, yeah.
But how will I let to know QTP that what it is? How will QTP display me what is C? We did learn this topic just now.
Just yeah, yeah, yeah. Hello, Priyanka?
Yes, I am there. So what is that?
Where's your screen? Where's your screen? I didn't see your screen, that's why. Hold
It
on,
is
hold on.
there. It is there.
Hold on, hold on.
That's okay. Can you see it now?
No, no. Yeah, yeah, now is, yeah. Now is display.
Okay, fine. Yeah. So how can I display? How can I display? Message box, Ruma, message box.
Oh, message
Very
box.
simple.
Okay, message box.
Yes. So how will you get message box of C? That's it.
Yes, box. Yeah, C. Oh, okay, message box C.
C. Okay. So
Then run.
100.
Oh, okay. A plus.
That's
Okay.
it. Understood?
Yes, understood.
Again, if I want to multiply C into B, 80 into 20, C into B. So what is it? Message box of C to run. Playback. That is 1600.
Oh, okay.
So like this, it is very easy. VB scripting is so easy. So in order to multiply or in order to divide, so in C and C++, how much of work should you do? But in here, just write C is equal to A into B. That's it.
Okay, message box. Okay.
Okay, so it's very easy. Now, till we have learned about integers. That is your numbers. So 20, 80. Now let us talk about strings. For example, I'll write S is equal to hello world.
Okay.
S is equal to hello world. This is how you declare a string.
Okay.
S is equal to double quotes hello world. In case, if I want to know the length of this string, if I want to know the length of the string, then write. So again, as I told you, it should be stored in a variable. So x is equal to len, length of string. So which string?
Oh,
What is the string name?
Hello world. That.
And hello world is equal to what?
Yes.
So what should I write in here?
Write down yes.
That's it. Now how will I know what is the length of this string? How will I know? How will it display?
It display message box? No.
That's it. No, don't have a doubt. It is message box. That's it. Message box of X.
Message box of X.
Right.
Oh,
X is
okay.
where you're trying to
Everything display on message box.
So 11. Tell me if it is correct or not. If 11 is correct or not. Can you please count? Can you please count and let me know the
Yeah, this is a.
length of?
It doesn't count the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? It is 5. Yeah. This is it count the space also, right?
Yes, it will count the space also.
Okay.
These are the important interview questions. Okay, it counts the space also.
Mm-hmm. It count the space
Now,
also. Okay. Mm-hmm.
yes. So if I want to convert this into an uppercase, so you say uppercase. So uppercase of this string called as S. Uppercase of the string called as S. Now playback. So all these functions are what you need to remember. As you can see, hello world.
Oh, uppercase.
See?
Okay.
Uppercase. So now I have converted into uppercase. So all these things would be useful in your applications. In the later stages, I'll also will show you how it is applicable. Okay, right now just understand how to convert a lowercase into uppercase and how to convert uppercase into a lowercase.
Mm-hmm.
Now, do you agree that X consists of uppercase letters of this hello world, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yes or no?
Yes.
X consists of what? Uppercase
Uppercase.
letters of this. Now, I want to convert the same uppercase letters of this hello world into again a lowercase. So how would I do? I'd say Y. Y equal to?
Y equal to L case.
Yes, L case, that's it. So lowercase of S. So in case if they are in uppercase, then it is uppercase of this. If it is in lowercase, then you can convert it into L case. L case does mean lowercase.
L case.
L case.
Then
means
close
lowercase.
yes. Yeah. Close yes. Mm-hmm.
That's it.
Then message
Fine.
box. Yeah, that's message box Y.
Message box. Message box Y. Very good. So this is what is needed. Okay. You need to understand it in this way. Now, if I want to get only the left letters, that is only this hello. So what I should do is like this. X equal to, I'll say left of string and length. String and length. So what is the string?
The string is hello. Yes. Left yes.
So yes.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Comma. So how many letters do you want from left? Let me say I
5.
need 3 letters. 5. Okay, 5. You need 5. Ruma needs 5. So enter 5. Now how will I get to know? How will it display?
Message. Yes.
Message box of.
Message box of.
Of what?
Yes.
Yes or X? See it.
X. Maybe X. Cross X.
Ah, yes. Good. It's not X. F5. Where is my F5? See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters.
Oh, okay.
Okay? If you want to get right, the rightmost 5 letters. So what should you do in here? Just enter
Right.
That's it. R-I-D-H-T, right. So now again, playback.
Okay.
Rightmost 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Mm-hmm.
Now if you want to get the middle, letter, that is from 3 to 5 or 5 to 6 or from 7 to 10, so like this, you need to get a middle space. So MID of what? Middle space. Middle letters of string. What is the string?
Yes.
Yes. Now the string is S, comma. From which letter to which letter? So which between letters do you need?
Just a space.
Comma.
Just a
There's the
space.
space. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
6.
So between
5, 5,
5
yeah.
and 7.
5,
5 and 7.
5 and 7. Oh, okay.
Between 5 and 7. So between 5 and 7 is the space. So you'll get only the space now. SH box X. Now run. So 0.
Oh, 0.
Good.
Okay. Nothing over there. Yeah, 0.
Yes, 0. That's it. Okay. This is how you will be getting your middle, left and right letter.
Mm-hmm.
Clear till here?
Mm-hmm.
Playback my script, I am telling you again. So this is the assignment which I am going to give you. I want to get in your script record, or what you do is that to practice through step generator,
Mm-hmm.
write the script to log in and reserve a flight.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
What I want to see is that I want to see through GetArgo property, I want you to get the login name and then the name of the passenger for whom you have booked the ticket.
Mm-hmm.
Login name, that is agent name, and the name of the passenger for whom you have booked the ticket, and the class for which he is booking the ticket. Is it a business class, is it an economy, or is it a standard class? We have 3 classes.
Yes, yes.
So which class? All these 3 things I want to. I will run the script in your computer. I'll see it whenever we'll have the next class. Might be Saturday or Sunday, whenever it might be. So I will just run. I'll just run and see if it is successful or not. I want to see which on whose name, what is the agent name you are booking on which agent is booking the ticket, on whose name are you going to book the ticket, and what is the class for which the ticket is booked.
Okay.
Okay, sure.
Mm-hmm.
So this is what is your task for today. Whenever I would explain you VB scripting, every day you will get a real-time task like this.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Where you will come to know where to apply whatever I have taught.
Okay.
Okay. Fine then. So please speak to Arjun. And
Okay, I talk to the
let me
Arjun,
know.
then okay, then you get an email from Arjun or from me. Okay.
Yes. So I just want to get an email. Please send me an email from Arjun or somebody. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you for joining, Roma and Tamanna. Thank you all. Thank you for joining. She has put up a lot of effort in joining into this session. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Roma would be sending you the recorded session.
Okay.
Bye.
Thank you, Priyanka. Have a good day. Bye.
Yeah.